We're gonna go through the machine startup. So turn it on. The scanner, safety scanner, goes through its own cycle. And then we're gonna wait for the splash screens to load. Meanwhile, I already have grease in a tube. So I'm just gonna load it onto the mandrel. The machine's gonna have to home. So we're gonna go to auto mode. I go to auto mode. It tells me it's not homed. Motor on. Emergency off. Motor on. Reverse cycle to home it. Then reverse cycle again. And you pay attention to the rod. You will see it will move forward. That's why it's got to be clear. That's why I put a tube in it to make sure the mandrel does not slam into any tooling here. Now, I'm going to perform a first sample bend just to make sure it bends correctly. So, I'm holding on and forward cycle. And forward cycle. So I got forward cycle completed. Now I'm going to cycle forward again. And that will bend. Now remove the tube. Inspect it, looks good. No kinks, no tears. So I'm gonna reverse cycle, but prior to that, I'm gonna make sure that this is up in the air and out of the way. Because at the very end of reverse cycle, this rod moves forward. And if it, let's say, it lays like this, it will slam into the tool and bend the rod, damage the mandrel. I'm gonna reverse cycle now. So now the real deal, the workpiece, taking it, has grease, the mandrel, lock and loaded, and I'm driving it all the way to the stop. The template is set up for this. So it's butted up against, ready for cycle forward. So I'm cycled forward. It's right against the stop. It's butted up over here. It's clamped nicely. Everything looks good. Let's cycle forward. After bending, looks pretty much on the money. Just like before, unload the tube. The mandrel rod out of the way. And reverse cycle. And it's done. Shut off the machine. And you can load the next piece.